Your ultimate Filipino food cravings but leveled up sa sarap. Hello, mom cravers! Hahanap-hanapin mo pa rin ang panlasang Pilipino. That's why I went here at Siklab. Boldly Filipino by the Bistro Group. I dine in with my friends here at Shangri-La Plaza to try their new items from the menu. First, we tried the sizzling bulalo a la egg. Can you imagine the taste? I bet you can't resist its goodness. Next is the honey my love so chick. Plus the lumpiang ubod ng lutong kaya mapapa-extra rice ka talaga. Speaking of extra rice, we had the salted egg rice and longer rice. And of course, Siklab offers the OG in the house such as the kohol ni Tanggol na sobrang generous sa gata as well as pinatisang fried chicken and sinigang na bangus sa bayabas. Ang sarap pala ng bayabas na pang-asim sa sinigang, no? For our desserts, we enjoy the bambang halo-halo, leche flan na pinaka-favorite ko dito sa Siklab, and bonggang bibingka. Solve na solve talaga ang cravings for everyone. Para sa sumisiklab na lasa, tara na sa Siklab.